Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to draw shear force and bending moment diagram of the following diagram. As you can see, this is a simply supported beam with point load acting in the middle of the beam. So this beam is called a symmetrical beam. First of all, I have to calculate reaction, then shear force diagram, then bending moment diagram. So total there are 3 steps to solve this kind of question. Okay, step 1 is reactions. Okay, since it is a symmetrical beam, so the reactions are very easy to calculate. So A is equal to B is equal to 50 kilonewton divided by 2. As 50 kilonewton is acting in the middle of the beam and 25 kilonewton will react upwards to A and 25 kilonewton will react upward at point B. So upward it will go, and in this case our beam will be in equilibrium condition and the beam will be stable. So it will be 25 kilonewton on A and 25 kilonewton at point B. Okay, so the reactions are done. Now we have to calculate step 2, shear force diagram. How to calculate that? How to draw the diagram. So we have to draw a straight line. This straight line mean is our beam. This straight line represent our beam. Okay, so we have to see what is the reaction at A. So this is point A, this is point B. As you can see, at 25 kilonewton is on point A and 25 kilonewton on point B. So it means 50 kilonewton is acting downwards, trying to push our beam downwards, and 25 kilonewton at point A pushing upward, and 25 kilonewton at B pushing upward as well to make our beam stable. So let's say 25 kilonewton we will go up. So this is 25 kilonewton. Then you have to draw a straight line as I have explained in my previous video. Then when it comes to the middle of the beam, so let's say this is the middle of the beam, then you will go straight down 50 kilonewton. So 25 kilonewton, go to point in the middle of the beam, then go straight down. As you can see, 50 kilonewton is pushing downwards. Once you have gone down to 25 kilonewton downwards, so this is our positive area and this is our negative area. So that's our negative area. So this is our shear force diagram. Okay, so this is 25 minus, and this is we have a complete diagram. This is how you can draw a shear force diagram. Now step 3. So I will just put here, which is bending moment diagram. Okay, in order to draw a bending moment diagram, we have to look into our shear force diagram. Okay, like I did before, draw a straight line. This is the representation of our beam, and this is our point B and this is point A. Okay, so at point A, bending moment is always 0, and at point B, or maybe first point and end point, always we will have bending moment value 0. So this is a check. If you are getting 0 at first and last point, then it means your diagram is correct. Okay, so how do we know where we can draw our line? What is the value? What would be the value in the middle? So as you can see, the previous diagram, it says 25 kilonewton and the distance is 1 meter. So what it would be, it's 25 multiplied by 1, it'll be 25 kilonewton, and the 25 kilonewton roughly I would say is in the middle. Why is in the middle? Because our load is acting in the middle, so that's why our bending moment is maximum at this point. Okay, so it will go straight down to the 0. As I have explained in my previous video, when you draw a bending moment diagram with the point load, your lines will be diagonals. Okay, so in here we have 25 kilonewton. Okay, and then as you can see, the area underneath of this line, shear force line, this is minus 25. This was plus, that's why we've gone up. Now we have minus, so we will have to go down. So it'll be minus 25 multiplied by 1. Why is 1? Because this distance is 1 meter and this distance is also 1 meter. So the whole distance from here to there is 2 meter, as it can be seen in the diagram. Okay, so it'll be minus 25, so you will go straight down to point B. So this is how you can draw your bending moment diagram for this certain beam. That's all today. I hope you have understood. If you still don't understand, don't forget to write in your comment box, and I will try to explain it again. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.